Yes guys, kasama po natin ang newly crowned Miss Puerto Princesa South Ambassadress from Barangay Santa Lucia. Kamusta ang bagong reyna ng South?
Actually, I'm very speechless po, and hindi ko po talaga siya ina-expect as a, ito po yung first pageant ko na malaki, so I am very, hindi ko talaga siya expected po, actually. Pero all the hard works, the passarelas trainings, the Q&A sessions po na ginagawa namin, I believe it's worth it po at the end of the day po.
Any message sa lahat ng gusto mong pasalamatan?
Thank you to MPP organization and also to my handler po, Sir Nino Espanola. She's very hander po. And isa po siya sa nag-inspired sa akin na sumali. And guess what? Back-to-back po yung nakuha niya since 2022 to 2025 sa kanya po ang South. And also, especially to my family, my friends, my supporters na hindi po nagsawang maniwala sa akin at encourage po ako na tumuloy sa journey ko pong ito. And also to our former reigning queen, Miss Princess Reyes, also siya rin po talaga yung isa sa naging inspiration ko sumali sa Miss Puerto Princesa po.
Sige, yung magkita yung pangalan mo at yung title mo.
I am Joyce Carmela Capistrano. I am representing Santa Lucia and I am your newest Miss South Ambassadress 2025.
Congratulations!
Thank you po.